This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Toyota Tacoma. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 4.0-liter V6. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, a passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.